Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives on your TCL NxtPaper 10s. So in order to do this, first you will need to get the RAR app, and we've shown you how to do that in our other video. Now let's locate the files that we want to pack, and mine are located in DCI and then the camera. Now let's select each file that we want to pack. Click on this plus button. Right here you'll be able to change archiving options. So you can choose a name, change the extension for the file, select any of these options, set up the password, and there's more tabs like advanced and options. There's also comments, so you can leave something like a description about the archive. So for the basic archive, simply change the name in the general right here and click on OK. Now we've just created camera.rar, and that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.